Hi, I'm Chef Nti and I'm back with another recipe. We are using the AG microwave with air fry capacity, my favorite equipment thus far. Our recipe is the kebabs. I'm making wors steak with some prawns and they are rubbed with the magic that is Cajun spice. And on the side, I've got a cauliflower head. I'm roasting them and I serve them with a tahini dressing, finishing them off with a nice nut crumble. I'm starting with my cauliflower. I'm going to infuse a bit of flavor into the cauliflower with this butter mix of honey, a mix of spices, and just rub it onto my cauliflower before it goes into the oven because I want to make sure as it cooks, it sucks in all these delicious flavors. Yum! All right, to the oven we go. This is going to cook in the Combi grill, and normally a cauliflower would take anything between 40 minutes to an hour. But with the AG microwave oven with air fry capacity, the Combi cook will take literally under 30 minutes. Okay, so we make our tahini sauce. This is now where convenience come in. Remember, we want crisp result fast. I've got one that's store-bought. I'm taking a few spoonfuls into a bowl, a squeeze of lemon, a bit of water just to loosen up the consistency, salt and pepper for seasoning, and balance off the flavors with a bit of honey. Give that a nice whisk, and while it waits for our cauliflower, use whatever nuts you have in your house, put them on the stove top, just toast them slightly and set them aside. Now our cauliflower is done. Look at that, it's cooked to perfection and it smells amazing. Take the tahini sauce that you set aside. I'm spreading it right on this cauliflower generously, and some chopped parsley, some nuts, those toasted nuts, and of course some pomegranates. I love them because they bring that much needed sweetness onto this dish. I mean, this is good to impress. So the cauliflower is ready now, so we're quickly going to do our kebabs. The wors steak and prawn kebabs, and these are obviously finished with the Cajun spice. The Cajun spice has a bit of sweet and spicy mix to it. So there's some sugar there, there's some cayenne pepper and some cumin, salt and pepper. Really, really magic. We're using the air fry functionality to roast these kebabs. We're really frying with no oil, and they go into the oven for a good 8 minutes on both sides. So there you have it, guys. Quick and easy food made using your microwave oven with air fry capacity. So who said you couldn't cook with your microwave, huh? Oof, this is such a beautiful dish. I can't wait for my guests to come out and try it. I've got an option of 3 types of protein in one dish. And if someone is not a meat person, I have this cauliflower steak that is a meal on its own. It took me under half an hour to present this amazing meal. I've got steak, I've got wors, I've got prawns. I mean, who does that? It's a feast.